And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, looking outside at our tower cam here at the TV station, these are high thin cirrus clouds here. That's a contrail there, and there's kind of a faint one from a jet right here. But what's this on the horizon? Kind of a milky gray, almost brown, almost brownish color. Well, guess what? The smoke is coming back because this weather pattern is supporting a lot of forest and prairie fires out here in the plains and the Rockies. And then this smoke here is actually Amazon basin smoke. We have an unprecedented drought going on in the Amazon right now. The fires in the rainforest have gone up almost 4,000% here over the past several months. And some of that smoke is coming into the southeast U.S. Now, watch the smoke here. Again, this is smoke thousands of feet up. The thickest is north of us, but we get a little bit in here tomorrow. So the sky may get just a hair pale, and it may be just a little bit on the hazy side early on Friday morning, and then the smoke kind of stays south of our area. But you can still see the Amazon smoke plume, and then these fires burning out here, all due to this, what we call very positive East Pacific Oscillation. We call it the EPO, and anytime it's really positive, you have a roaring polar jet basically along the U.S.-Canadian border. No real cold air can make it in, but this is very dry Pacific air because you're taking air out here and from the southwest, and it's basically going up and down the Rockies. So it's compressing, it's warming, and it's heating up, or it's drying out as well. So all the moisture is going to stay down here. This is going to be the pattern for a while. Very wet down here. We got to watch tropical impacts, tropical storm hurricanes. There's the polar jet way north. It does a little bit of a dip into New England. So we will have multiple little cold fronts that just swing through New England, and maybe 2 or 3 of these just clip us. So every now and then it gets just a hair cooler, kind of like what happened this morning. And then it warms right back up. I mean, look at tomorrow morning. It's 45 in the morning, but the wind's back southwest, and we're 79 in the afternoon. A little patchy fog mainly in the southeast in the morning, and they're the upper 70s to low 80s tomorrow. Another front barely brushes by us on Friday. So the wind goes to the northeast, a few more clouds for a while. It's still a 78-degree high on Friday, but 75 to 80 should do it for highs viewing area wide. This is a long, dry stretch. We may get a little rain around mid-month, but we may have to wait till late October, early November before we get decent soaking rain. But I would watch for 2 bursts of freezing with lows in the 20s to around 30 between October 16th and 24th, as finally we break down that really positive EPO and we pull some colder air down into the Midwest. But until that time, what you're seeing is what you're going to get. Note here, there is your positive EPO right there. A large area of just dry, warm weather. Every now and then a weak cold front brushes by, and then all the moisture is down here where we've got to watch for a tropical storm or hurricane or 2 along the Gulf Coast. Here's your 10-day. So 47 Saturday morning, but it's back to 79 in the afternoon. We get a front through Sunday, so it's down to 72 on Monday, 42 Tuesday morning, and then 80 Wednesday, and well into the 80s later next week.